Look at that. Ooh, this is a ball cap opener. Now we're talking. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another awesome video. Little Civic. I've got the KTM sack, KTM extra parts, KTM motorcycle stuff, KTM wrenches, KTM iron wire, KTM helping bag, KTM whatever bag. It's got mold on it. Yeah, so it's pretty disgusting. Anyway, so this is the bag that came with my Superduke 2020 GT, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. For no reason whatsoever, but I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. This is the Super Duro. So you guys maybe remember I made a Christmas Santa Claus video on that rascal. And yeah, this I still didn't clean it after Christmas, so yeah. It's still dirty as hell. It's like almost the end of March and I still haven't cleaned it because it's in a different garage. I didn't have time for it. I did have time for it, but yeah, it's kind of terrible. Really deeply sorry about that. I'll make it up to you. Gonna put it on the dirty Super Duro. And yeah, first things first. Now, I couldn't really find out why they put this steel kind of wire. Focus, here we go. Why they put this steel wire in there, but I had a couple of comments. First comment was, well, if it breaks down again, your KTM breaks down again, you can hang yourself with it. That's pretty obvious. And second thing is, like, you can remove your seat. Can't really remember if it was the back seat or a cover or main seat with your key, and you can somehow attach your helmet to it. So let's try it out. Oh Lord. So where do you, like, I don't really, maybe it's like this seat. No, it can be that seat because, well, this is the locking part, so you gotta, like, how do you, or does this only work on the Superduke GT? Like, how do you even, wait a minute, maybe, no, maybe you do, no. I've got no idea. Anyway, let's get back to the bag. So yeah, we got this cheap little screwdriver. Does it have? It only got that one. Does it have another one on the other side? No, it has not. It even has holes for make it lightweight. Decent. This is probably the worst place to get this out. So look at that. This is probably the spring adjuster. Also KTM marked. Yes, it does. So yeah, this is probably for the, for tightening or loosening the spring up there. Decent. What do we got here? KTM. This is like a 17. And you know, I'm not sure if you can fully dismantle the bike with everything that's inside this one. So we got a 14 and a 13. What else we got? Ooh, what the hell is that? It's like, if you get into a fight, you can always use this as a knuckle buster or whatever it's called. Look at that. Dang. Now it's probably could probably use it for that. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, back to the bag. Look at that. Ooh, this is a ball cap opener. Now we're talking. And another 13. So we get both 13s and we get, yeah, we get, yeah. don't drink this kind of beer. God damn, that was just a little bit nasty. It's the best beer we got in Belgium, but you know, I've been really sick from drinking that beer, and for some reason I can't taste it anymore. Holy cow! What we got here? So we got the small one, and then we got the big one. What the hell is this for? I mean, this thing is huge. Like, maybe it's for sprocket or something. I've got no idea what this is for. Maybe it's like a maybe it's like a buramatang. So you guys chuck it away and it comes back or something. Damn, this is huge. What the hell is this for? Nah, it's not gonna work. Austin Racing. Oh, maybe it's for something in the clutch or something. Might be. Nope, no idea. Anyway, back to the bag. What do we else we got? God damn it! Yeah, like I said, so this is not a perfect spot to get all these things out. But anyway, it's the best spot in the house, right? What else we got here? Oh yeah, we got this little, we call this an inbus sleutels. They always come in handy. Like this nice orange and rubber. Some more 14-15 wrenches. We got a little tiny one. This is like an 8 and a 10. What else we got? We got we got it over here. Another imbus. Got a small one. Some more imbuses. Oh, this is also. Oh, this is the other side of the screwdriver. Look at that. Yeah, shouldn't have left it in my Superduke GT. Got covered in mold and stuff like that. Got these little bastards right over there. And I think that's. God damn it. So I think that's about it. Look at how dirty that bag is. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, this is Torx. And yeah. Besides the mold in there, still gotta seriously clean that thing up. It's just nasty. I got like 3 other bits down there, but that's about it. So yeah, still kind of confused what that big God damn it. Still kind of confused what that big thing is for. Small one's for the spring, but the big one, I'm kind of confused. So if you know what the big one is for, let me know in the comments. So yeah, of course, the bottle opener, pretty obvious, but like, what the hell is this big one for? Look at that. It's the size of my head. I can't really see anything that's the size of your head inside a Superduke. Maybe it's for the clutch or something, I really don't know. So if you know, let me know in the comments below what this huge thing is for. And of course, really shamed about how this bike looks, the Superduro. I had a lot of other stuff to do, really sorry about that. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this puppy up soon as the weather gets good. I'm gonna clean it up, and I'm gonna probably change the front suspension and the rear suspension so we can really take this puppy off-roading a lot faster, because, well, as you guys may or may not have seen, it is gnarly and dangerous as hell. So we gotta make this thing safer as ever. Easy as that. And clean it up. It looks nasty. Really sorry, my friend. Really sorry. I'm gonna clean you up really good. I am. Anyway, that's it for today's video. So showed you guys what's in the KTM maintenance bag, or whatever you guys call this little baggie. And so let me know in the comments what some of the parts are for, which I have no idea what they are actually for. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and talk to you guys later. Peace.